Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your clothes in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is me in Dress to Impress, and as you can see, I'm still using the default cloth, and I'm going to show you how we can change it. I'm going to go to the section, and I'm going to, for example, select this cloth. Okay, we just need to tap on the clothes we want to use. We can click on put on. Alright, and as you can see guys that my clothes has been changed. And I'm going to go to another section and try to look for another cloth which is suitable for me. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Right, it's good. Oops. Okay. And this is the look. Alright, and if you want to remove the clothes from your body, you can click on this option. Okay, then you just need to select the clothes you want to remove, and the clothes will be removed like this. That's so easy, right? Okay, and I'm going to go to the section again and select the clothes. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change clothes in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!